because we're underspending on health, we're underspending on education, we're underspending on even maintaining our public assets, which is not included here, for example. To some extent it is, but in roads and electricity, but we're actually underspending on even maintaining the public capital stock.
I think there's also an opportunity now for provincial authorities to start thinking seriously about the changing profile of households and individuals in Pakistan as a whole.
The survey revealed a very poor understanding of the tax system.
We need to develop a roadmap and prioritize the initiatives based on the bang for the buck. Very clear on that.
Having said that, now we are dealing with an international setup which requires the digitalization, and it is no more focused only at the center. It has to have collaboration of data integration with provinces.
We actually discovered was that it's not enough to just provide services. You need to market these services as well. Citizens need to know that this work has been done.
Doing it is actually to strengthen your local bodies, okay, and limit the powers of these authorities which are essentially non-democratic.
Even there's a self-interest, because then if there's improvement in the area, basically your capital value is going to go up.